Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram message general and primary option not showing. So on your Instagram message page, if you're not getting this primary and general section, you're only getting the request section, then you need to do certain things in order to fix it. The first thing is make sure your Instagram account is not private, because if your Instagram account is private, then you're not going to get this primary and general. You're just going to get a normal chat and request. Make sure your Instagram account is public. And the other thing is make sure your Instagram account is not a personal account. Make sure it's either a creator account or a business account, because this feature is only available for business and creator account. For a personal Instagram account, it's not available. So if your account is personal, switch it into a professional account. For that, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right and click on the 3-line at the top. From over here, click on settings and privacy. Now, once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll a bit down and click on creator and add tool. Once you click on creator and add tool, you will see the option called switch account type. Click on switch account type. And from over here, you can click on switch to business account or switch to creator account. Now, I already have a creator account. That's why it's showing me personal. But if you have a personal account, it's going to show you two options, business and creator. You can choose any one of that and convert your account into a business or a creator account. And you will get the option of general and primary on your Instagram message. So I hope you understand how to fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.